Hi, I'm Helen. Oven door seals are one of our top sellers at eSpares. They're usually made from rubber and this can perish very easily. When this happens, you'll find that hot air escapes from around the oven door. This probably means that you're using more energy than necessary and your oven isn't getting up to temperature. I recommend that you try and get the genuine part for your model. We do sell universal door seals, however these can be a bit harder to fit. You may need to cut them to size and the fittings may not be in the right place. To get your genuine part on the eSpares website, first you need to find your model number. On this Neff oven, this can be found here. I'm going to start by removing the oven door. You don't actually need to do this to access the seal, but it will make it easier for you to see. First of all, I lift the clips on the hinges and then just lift the oven door out. This oven door seal just hooks on with two little teeth at each corner. So I just need to unhook each corner. While we have the oven door seal removed, I'm going to take this opportunity to give it a quick clean using this specialist oven cleaner. So here we have the new door seal. It just fits into place the same way the old one came off, with the two teeth fitting into the two holes. Just going to line this up to make sure it's the right way round and hook it into place. And then I'm going to replace the door. Just slot the hinges back in and flip the clips over. Now the door seal for your oven may fit in slightly different way, but as you can see it's one of the easiest parts to change on your cooker. So check out the espares.co.uk website to find the right door seal for your model. Thanks for watching.